Morning students, I am Shubjinder from MTIS. Today I am going to tell you another interesting story and its title is The Gift of Honesty. Long time ago in a village lived a painter named Jack. Jack was very honest man, but since he was poor, he used to paint houses to earn a living. His earning was very less. His life was full of struggle. An entire day of hard work could only provide him 2 meals a day. He always aimed for a big project so that he could earn a lot more. But he was fully committed to smaller tasks as well. One day the landlord of village called him and said, "Listen to me, Jack. I have called you for very important work. Do you want to do it?" "Sure, sir. I will definitely do it." "Tell me, what is the work?" "I want you to paint my boat. I want work to be finished by today itself." "Okay, sir. I will finish the work today only." Jack got very happy on getting work. "All things aside, tell me, how much would you charge for this job?" "I generally charge 1500 bucks for this job." "Rest you have to decide, sir." "Okay, you will get 1500 bucks. But the work should be good." "Sure, sir. You don't have to worry. I won't give you any room for complaints." The landlord then took Jack near the river to see his boat. After seeing the boat, Jack asked for some time from the landlord as he went away to bring his stuff. As soon as Jack returned with his material, he started painting the boat. As Jack painting the boat, he noticed, "Oh Lord, the boat has big hole in it. If I paint this boat without fixing the hole, I will sink. I should first block the hole." Jack then blocked the hole and painted the boat afterwards. Then he went to the landlord and said, "Sir, the work is finished. You can see the boat." "All right, let's go." They reached the shore. Landlord said to Jack as he saw the boat, "Wow, Jack, you have done commendable work. Do me a favor, visit me tomorrow morning and collect your pay." "Okay, sir." Both of them then headed to their homes. The family of landlord went for sightseeing a day after in the same boat. Later in the evening, the servant of landlord named Charlie returned from vacation and inquired about everyone as he couldn't spot anyone in the house. The landlord told him everything. On listening to the landlord, Charlie got stressed. Seeing Charlie stressed, landlord asked him, "What happened, Charlie? Why do you look so stressed?" "Sir, that boat had hole in it." The landlord also freaked out as he heard Charlie. Within a few minutes, the family of landlord returned after day-long travel. On seeing his family totally all right, the landlord felt relieved. Next day, landlord called Jack and said to him, "Here, Jack, take your pay. You have done great work. I am very happy." Jack got surprised as he counted the money. The amount was more than what he was hired for. He said to the landlord, "Sir, you have given me more amount by mistake." "No, Jack, I haven't paid you any extra amount. This is your hard-earned money. But sir, we agreed for 1,500 bucks only. These are 6,000. How come it's right amount?" "Because you done a big work." "What kind of work, sir?" "You blocked the hole in the boat about which I was totally unaware. If you wanted, you could have left the hole as it was or could ask for more money. But you did neither of it, because of which my family was able to travel safely. Hadn't you blocked the hole, my family could have drowned. Because of you only they are safe. Which is why this money is for you, your hard work and honesty. But sir, blocking a hole doesn't require so much money." "Enough, Jack, enough. Don't say anything else. This is your money. Keep it." Jack got very happy for the money and for landlord's kindness. He said to the landlord, "Thank you so much, sir." Jack then happily went back to his home. So, my dear children, we must always work with absolute honesty and dedication. From this story, what we learn? That we must